Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence, and today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious fresh avocado salad. It is so delicious. It's summer right now, so we want to keep our weight in check. We want to keep our body in check. We want to enjoy ourselves. So if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. It's free. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share this video. If you're returning, thank you so much. I love you guys. Stick around. I'll show you how I make it. First of all, in a bowl, we're going to be chopping up our tomatoes. For this recipe, I'm using cherry tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you want. So I'm using cherry tomatoes. Just dice them in half, like so. And then up next will be, chopping up a bell pepper. It doesn't matter the color, but I chose to use this orange color to just give it a pop of color. And then we're going to be slicing up our cucumbers. I used one large cucumber. I mean, this salad is so delicious, guys. It is so yummy. You're going to enjoy this. You are going to love this, guys. You're going to love this. So dice it up like so in chunks. And then up next, we're going to be chopping up our onions. I chose to use red onions because of the color as well. And then, it's a little bit spicy. I love it. I love it. The smell, everything. But I'm using half of it. I'm going to be using half. You can go ahead and use everything, but I'm using 1/2 of it. And then we're going to be chopping it in cubes as well, in chunks. Like so. See how that looks? So good. And then we'll be chopping up our herbs. We're going to go in now and chop our cilantro. We are using cilantro today. I just want the flavor to come together. I want that, it's going to be so delicious, guys. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Go ahead and chop up your cilantro. You can use any herb you want. I chose cilantro for this recipe. And then we'll be chopping up our avocado, the star of the salad. Going ahead to chop up our avocado right away. I'll be using 2 avocados. You can use 1. I chose to use 2. This is the first one. So fresh, so nice, clean. And then you're going to chop it up in cubes. How's your summer going, guys? Hope you're enjoying your summer. How is it going? Make sure you relax yourself. Stay in the sun a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And then my second avocado, I'm going in now to chop it up. I want this to be avocado-filled salad. And then we're going to be working on a dressing right away. That's the salad already coming together. Look at that. Hearty, so hearty. And then for our dressing, I'll be using honey. 3 tablespoons of honey. You can use less if you choose to. And then I'll be going in with my lemon. We want everything to stay fresh, especially the avocado. We don't want it to change color, so we need a lemon. And then it balances out the honey as well. I'll be using 2 lemons because I have a big bowl of salad. If you have a smaller bowl, just one is enough. And then go ahead and squeeze it all up. See how juicy that lemon was, because I just rolled it up a little bit and it became so soft. And that's our lemon water, a lot of lemon water. I love this. And then we're going to be pouring it into our honey and just give it a quick stir. Can kindly stir it all up till it loosens up. You want everything to loosen up. And then I'm going in with my olive oil, 2.5 spoons. You can use 2 tablespoons if you want. And then I'm going in with my black pepper and salt. A little more. Since my bowl was a little too tight, I had to transfer it into a different bowl, and so that I could mix it properly. And then I'm gonna be going ahead to pour in my dressing. If you know you're not eating this right away, kindly don't mix it all up. Just do a little dressing at a time so that it doesn't become so mushy and soggy. And go ahead and stir it. Give it a good stir. Make sure you take your time. Look at this. Guys, this looks so delicious. It looks so good. Look at all the freshness. We don't want to just be going about a day and we don't take care of our bodies. We have to have something fresh, something delicious. This salad looks so good, guys. And we are done. We've come to the end of our video. If you haven't subscribed, if you like what you see, kindly subscribe. I have other recipes. I have other videos. You can check them out. It was really nice, doing this video with you. Thank you so much for sticking around. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Bye.